Hey guys, hope you're all doing well today. I just want to jump on quickly here today, just talk about when you hit a plateau, busting through these plateaus. Having a conversation with a guy, a friend of mine, who's obviously doing the same as I am at the moment, which is trying to just drop a little bit of weight and just sort of shape up for the end of the year, for the holiday season. We discuss it because we've both been sort of stuck in the last few weeks at a certain level. I mean, I'm getting stronger and I feel fitter, and I definitely feel a lot better. But in terms of the goal, which is to try and lose some body fat, I don't want to lose weight as such. I'm happy with my weight. I just need to reduce my body composition, and I've been stuck now for 2 or 3 weeks, and he was going through the same issue as well. So what he's done and what I'm doing is 2-3 things now. Is really just obviously double checking the calories in, because at the end of the day, it's we're talking about an energy balance, aren't we? That's the ultimate goal for trying to lose weight, especially to burn fat. We don't want to lose weight. We're trying to burn fat, so there's a little bit more to it than that. It's a bit more not complex, but it's a little bit more strategic. You can all lose weight. You can starve yourself, run 50 miles a week, and you'll lose weight. There's no problem like that. But actually, losing body fat while trying to hold on to muscle mass is a little bit trickier. So the first thing is, we're always talking about an energy balance. We don't want a huge difference in energy balance to get results. We're talking a few hundred calories reduction, really. And this goes for putting muscle on or losing weight, or losing fat. We want that either. We want to be in a surplus or in a minus, So I feel that first thing I do, obviously I've checked my calories in. I've been tracking now, and my calories are pretty bang on where I need to be. I'm not overeating. My macros could be better. I'm certainly struggling to hit my protein goals at the moment. So I'm really working on that at the moment. I've probably just been eating a little bit too many carbohydrates, so I'm slightly cutting back on them. But overall, it's not bad, but it could obviously be better. So that's the first sort of area that I'm looking at. I think really, ultimately at the moment, it's more of I need to be expending more energy rather than actually reducing the energy that I'm consuming. I think that's where the issue is, and that's where I'm really going to be focused more. And that's mainly just due to time constraints. I work full time, like many of you guys. It's so, trying to get the steps in, for example, like I'm doing now. The 10,000 plus is difficult, but it's not impossible. It's just that I'm going to have to try harder now, because I haven't. I get out like I do here every day, but when I've had my steps up in the day, it's not enough. I'm not in that 10k consistently enough. So it's going to mean getting up in the morning more, getting out before work, trying to get the steps in, then coming at lunchtime like I'm doing now, and then out again probably in the evening if I'm not hitting the mark. So that's definitely another area, is to sort of increase that energy expenditure. And my main cardio at the moment is walking. Again, I think I'm probably going to have to add in another cardio session of maybe higher intensity, maybe 40 minutes, to try and fit that in once a week now. And I'm just trying to crank up the intensity of my weight training workouts as well. Just adding more intensity into the workouts and see if I can burn more energy that way as well. And I think that's where we're going to start at. I think from there we'll see how it goes the next couple of weeks. Obviously, if we don't see any movement, then I'm going to have to again look at how much energy I'm expending. Can I fit in more, or can I just work on the diet? Because that's obviously the two areas where we need to improve. My sleep could be better, so that it's not just movement and food. There are other factors involved as well. Sleep could be better, so I'm definitely working on that. Probably could drink a bit more water. I think there's another area that I can look at. But these are all things we just to keep layering on, and all of a sudden get that movement again, and things will start to progress. Anyway guys, hope that's helped. Please let me know what you do if you're going through plateaus, if you get stuck. You know, what do you do? What's worked for you? Always love to hear your comments. And yeah, please, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, share the content, say hello. Love to hear from you. And yeah, hope that helped, and I'll see you next one. Cheers, bye.